Atlantic magazine published screenshots of a group chat on the encrypted app Signal, in which US officials were discussing the March 15th attack on Houthi rebels in Yemen. The chats got leaked after Jeffrey Goldberg, the editor of The Atlantic magazine, was inadvertently added to the group. But for most of us, the codes, abbreviations and name initials used in the group may be difficult to understand. Well, let me decode these for you. First, let's look at the names in the group because most of the names are not clearly mentioned. There are 19 people in the group. JD Vance, US Vice President. Michael Waltz, US National Security Advisor. Pete Hegseth, US Defense Secretary. Walker Barrett, Senior Staffer on Waltz's National Security Team. Dan Katz, Chief of Security for Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent. Joe Kent, Chief of Staff for Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard. Mike Needham, Counselor and Chief of Staff to Marco Rubio, the US Secretary of State. John Ratcliffe, CIA Director. Steve Witkoff, US Special Envoy for Ukraine and Russia. Alex Wong, Principal Deputy National Security Advisor, and Susie Wiles, White House Chief of Staff. Some names are identified partially or with initials. As per US media reports, they are Tulsi Gabbard, Director of National Intelligence, Marco Rubio, Secretary of State, Scott Bessent, Treasury Secretary, Stephen Miller, White House Deputy Chief of Staff, Jeffrey Goldberg, the editor of Atlantic magazine who was mistakenly added, Brian McCormack, the Chief of Staff for the National Security Council. Now let me take you through the codes and abbreviations used in the chat and what they mean. First up, what is the meaning of Houthi PC small group? It most likely refers to the Principals Committee, the top officials in the National Security Council. Tiger Team. National Security Advisor Mike Waltz says he is setting up a Tiger Team for the mission. A Tiger Team is a group of people assembled for a particular task. High side inbox. Waltz says team members will get briefings in the morning on their high side inboxes. So what is high side inbox? In national security speak, high side might refer to classified information. In another message, Waltz used a lot of abbreviations. If that all Greek to you, well, stay with me. COS Joint Staff is most likely a reference to the Chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, the highest ranking military official of the United States. DoD is Department of Defense. COS could also mean the Chief of Staff of President Donald Trump. OVP is the office of Vice President JD Vance, and POTUS is the abbreviation for President of the United States. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth refers to OPSEC in a couple of his messages. Here he is talking about ensuring the secrecy of the operation. OPSEC or operational security is about protecting sensitive information. On the day of the Yemen attack, March 15th, Pete Hegseth sent a team update in which he refers to CENTCOM. He is giving the time, weather and confirmation with CENTCOM for the air attacks targeting the Houthi rebels in Yemen. CENTCOM stands for the United States Central Command. The subsequent messages shows Hegseth discussing the fighter jets and weapons used for Yemen attacks. These are F-18s, MQ-9s and Tomahawks. F-A-18F Super Hornets are Navy fighter jets that were launched from the aircraft carrier Harry S. Truman in the Red Sea in the March 15th attack. MQ-9 Reapers are land-based drones launched from bases located in the Middle East. Tomahawks are long-range cruise missiles. Now, did you get the full picture of how much national security information was shared on that chat? Do you think the US officials that caused the leak of this to media should resign? WION decodes complex subjects in simple terms. What do you want us to decode next? Let me know in the comments.